Hey guys, it's Miss Mary Mac and I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a style you can do with old curls. It's going to be a slick back ponytail bun situation, huh? Right. So what you're going to need is a spray bottle of water. These are the gels that I like to use because I have like really soft hair and for some reason gel don't work for it. It just turns curly. So what I use is the aloe vera gel and Supergrow extra hold because regular hold can't hold me. You feel me? Nah, I'm playing. A brush, and I just bought this, so we're gonna see how this works. I don't really know how to lay my edges that well, but I be looking cute anyway. And obviously you're gonna need an oil. This is the oil I showed you guys last time. And I like to use string to tie my hair back in ponytails. This is a piece of lanyard. Lanyard works, as you heard. And some bobby pins if needed, because I'm gonna do like a swoop situation, right? So for the rest of the video, I'm gonna try to do a voiceover. If I don't figure out how to do a voiceover, it's gonna be in silence. Cool. So first, you wet your hair with some water. Normally you use like rose water or whatever the case may be. I use pipe water because I ran out of my aloe water and my rose water. Then you put some oil to keep it moist. You feel me? The water locks in the moisture and also helps you with the gel. Then you add in the gel. I did the aloe vera first because it's a moisturizing gel. And I had to put it in the back, make sure my back is locked in and nice and moist and won't break off. Then I added in the super gel or whatever. I don't remember what it's called. And at this point, I couldn't remember if I was supposed to lay my edges first and then put the ponytail or do that after. So, because right now I'm trying to pull out some hair because I don't really have them loose baby hairs that y'all be pulling out, y'all little broken hair, because I have locks. So everything is like in my lock. So yeah, struggling. Then I get the brush, you brush it down nice. Then I got a shoestring because the lanyard wasn't working. Tied it up, made sure it looked good. You feel me, with the mirror. And then I laid the edges. I was struggling a little bit, the brush was a little rough. It was hurting my edges. I felt like I was about to have a little bald spot in the front of my head. I always have a struggle right there with edges. But whatever. So yeah, I still trying. Those look good though, my little edges on the side. Yeah. So now I'm adding in the bobby pin to make sure that the swoop is held in place. Yes, I be going through a lot. Don't judge me. It was looking alright. I kind of gave up. Then I tied my head with a silk wrap, and that's it. So this is the final result. Laid. You heard? Now I'm gonna go take my graduation pictures. I really did this though. I love a slick back ponytail, bitch.